day and age, everybody wants to get over it fast. They get a medication, they have to immediately go to the therapist. And I'm not dogging on medication or therapy per se, but I don't think it's always the first answer. Is that with emotion, I think that if you give it relevance and feel it and follow the process through, because grief, when somebody passes away, you're supposed to be sad. You're supposed to go through that cycle. But getting stuck there is, I think, where people have the problem. And to just realize that part of what you're going through is a natural human condition, and you can't fight your way out of that faster. There's some ways that staying in a funk, you can put a timeline on certain things, about starting to pull yourself together and to look up and whatnot. But I definitely think isolation is not the key. Maybe to take a little time out to collect yourself and really see exactly what you're feeling, to identify it, and then coming back collectively with other people. But isolating yourself and marinating and repeating the whole cycle is where it starts to go into the negative factor. So having sadness and down valleys and things like that are normal human conditions, and we go through them. And you should give them relevance and significance, but not marinate in them and not use them as anchors for anything else going wrong in your life or why something else can't be achieved.